Hello there everyone. So today I'm gonna show you how you can get Premiere Pro, the latest version, for free, and the setup is gonna be very simple unlike the previous one, and it's just like one step setup and you don't have to do anything else, and it's a stable version, it's the latest one. So all you have to do is get this link, it's gonna be in the description, and have a software called Qubit Torrent or any other torrenting software that you'd want to use. All you have to do is paste this link in the browser and it's going to show you if you want to open the torrent client, and whichever torrent client you have, just open it and it's gonna show you where you want to download and stuff. So it's the metadata, so just download it, and I already have this downloaded so I won't be downloading. And after you've got that downloaded, all you have to do is just run this setup and Premiere Pro will be installed. It's a very simple setup and that's all you have to do. It's pre-cracked, so you don't have to worry about anything, and that's all. Thanks for watching everyone. Stay safe. Bye bye.